Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Are you wondering how to private your Twitter account but don't know how? Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to private Twitter account. So watch this video till the end. First, open your Twitter app, then tap on Profile that is on the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. On Setting page, tap on Privacy and Safety. There you will see a lot of options. Tap on Audience and Tagging. There you will see Protect your tweets. Protect your tweets in Twitter means actually private Twitter account. Tap on it to turn the toggle bar on. Always remember that green toggle bar means on and gray toggle bar means off. So that is how you make private Twitter account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.